Welcome back to On Your Table Outdoors. First, I want to start off by thanking all the subscribers. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. A lot of people watching the Trailcam videos. Uh, watch them all the way through. It helps with the algorithm. It helps get more people looking at the videos. Plus, a lot of the stuff that shows up in the videos is in the middle, towards the end. All four of the bears that's been on videos have been towards the end of the videos. Um, the big bucks, the 10 point, the 11 point, they've all been in about the middle, towards the end. And, by watching them all the way through, it helps get it out there. It gets YouTube to show it to more people. And the more people that watch it, better it is for me. And I appreciate all of you who have been watching them. My goal is to make a little bit of money off of this. And so far, I'm close, but I'm not there yet. And with your help, watching the videos all the way through, maybe we can get there pretty soon. What I wanted to do today is do a gun review. For 30 couple years, I shot pump shotguns, and the two that I have are starting to get wore out because I do hunt a lot, I do shoot a lot. And last fall, I was at Walmart, and they had the TriStar Raptor made in Turkey. They had on sale for $249. It's a gas semi-automatic. And I figured, what the heck, give it a try. The only semi-automatics I ever shot was my 243 and the 22s. So I figured I'd try it. This is a 12 gauge. I use a 12 gauge for squirrel hunting in the early gun season, because a lot of places I hunt are so thick that if the squirrel crawls just a little bit, it's hard to find them sometimes, and I hate to shoot something and not get it. So, like I say, it's a 12 gauge semi-automatic TriStar Raptor. It does have the red bead at the front. It holds one in the chamber, two in the tube. You can take the plug out or unscrew it in. The black plug will pull out, and then that'll let you get 4 in a tube, 1 in the chamber. So you can either shoot 3 or 5 depending on what your laws are, depending on what season. Deer season we can shoot 5. The rest of the time we can only shoot 3. I shoot a scope on it because I'm old. My eyes are bad, and the scope helps me find the squirrels in the trees and keep a bead on them. So you just put the one shell in, button on the side here will bring the chamber up. The safety is on the back under the trigger. Then you can slide 2 in the tube. Now a lot of the reviews that I've seen on YouTube, people have problems with them recycling. They have problems with them shell cycling through. And what I found is the first couple boxes of shells that you shoot through here really need to be in the 1,300 feet a second range. Because if you shoot, when I first got it, I tried bird shot target loads. They was only like 1125 a second, 1145, something like that, and they wouldn't recycle. So you'd shoot one, you'd have to eject it, put another one in. Then I went up to, I think a Winchester was 250 or 1,250 feet a second. and that would cycle some of the time, but it still kept jamming up every now and then. So then I went up to a 5-shot high velocity. I think it was 1330 or 1350 feet a second, and that cycled fine. I didn't have any problems at all out of it. So I shot them all last season. Took about 120 different small game altogether. I did take a deer, a turkey. So when I started shooting it this spring for groundhogs, I had a bunch of target loads, 1125, 1150, 1250. I still had a bunch of them left, and I wanted to shoot them up. So I shot them all, and I found that after shooting the 1350s for a while, as much as I did, I probably shot 4 or 5 boxes through here. The bird shot for low velocity shells cycle fine now. I don't have any problem out of them at all. Right now I have, these are number 8 bird shot. These are 1150. And they once you shoot all 3 shells, the thing will lock open. The chamber will lock open. It's just a matter of putting your next shell in, pushing the button, chamber closes up, you're ready to go again. Put your shells in your tube and you're ready to go. I've had no troubles out of this at all. Like I say, other than cycling the shells, and once you get it broke in, cycling the shells isn't a problem. So just thought I'd put this out there. I'm very happy with it. I mean, it was like $249 or $289 on sale at Walmart. So if you're looking for an inexpensive shotgun for squirrel, rabbit, birds, deer, like I say, you need to get it broken first. And once you get it broken, I don't have any problems at all out of it. I mean, I can shoot 5 shells just as quick as I shot the 3 shells. So I hope this helps a little bit. Hope you find something in here that maybe helped you out a little bit. Hope you like and subscribe my channel if it helps you. Follow the channel. I do have some squirrel hunting videos that I'm putting footage together for now, and hopefully I'll get out and do some bow hunting here soon, and we'll get some bow hunting footage out there. So hope y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later.